Just days after the September 11, 2001 attacks, President George W. Bush visited the ruins of the World Trade Center in New York City. The atmosphere was tense and emotional, with rescue workers still searching through debris and smoke rising from the collapsed towers. The attack had shocked the world, leaving nearly 3,000 people dead and the US deeply shaken. The speech came during a spontaneous moment as Bush stood atop a pile of rubble beside firefighters. Speaking through a bullhorn, his words were brief but powerful, intended to rally a grieving nation. His presence signaled unity and defiance in the face of unprecedented destruction and fear. Bush's message aimed to comfort victims, praise first responders, and send a clear warning to those behind the attacks. It marked the beginning of America's war on terror, which would define global politics for decades. His vow to bring justice echoed across the world and shaped US foreign policy in the years that followed.
I want you all to know that America today is on bended knee in prayer for the people whose lives were lost here, for the workers who work here, for the families who mourn. This nation stands with the good people of New York City and New Jersey and Connecticut as we mourn the loss of thousands of our citizens. I can hear you. I can hear you. The rest of the world hears you. And the people who knock these buildings down will hear all of us soon.
Bush's words ignited national unity and set the tone for a global fight against terrorism. Just weeks later, the US began military operations in Afghanistan, aiming to dismantle al-Qaeda and topple the Taliban. The years that followed saw sweeping changes: new security laws, international conflicts, and a growing divide over the war in Iraq. The speech became symbolic of a more aggressive American foreign policy. Today, the US has left Afghanistan, but instability and terrorism concerns remain. Bush's short address still shapes how America views security, leadership, and the cost of response in times of crisis.